desktop.
Card. I mean, if you can keep your video cards going that long, then awesome. Definitely don't always need to do this stuff. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and what I'm going to do is run one of the stress tests that's built in, and we're going to do a time spy extreme, windowed looping. And the reason I'm doing this, instead of doing a splitting one close on the FE overclock, was it a not validated memory clock? Yeah, so we have a question. For review purposes, let's see what's that, yeah. For review purposes, we're on a tight crunch, and basically what we'll do, because you're looking at a day of work to run the benchmark, say, okay, let's take this clock and apply it to the review cycle. And for most games, it works out okay. But every now and then, you'll hit a game where the frame times get worse because of an on clock. And in that instance, as far as it was probably just never quite fully stable for everything when you first that. So just the point is, these cards, unless you're doing stuff like hard modding or more extreme. Jared said, power shunt mod. That's become variants. So that is not included. So too aggressive. But let's bring that down to 90 runs again and see if that's better. Outside of error, and if it's not, then we'll just start doing memory. We're pretty close to closing in on this card's final point for where it needs to go. But anyway, yes, we will probably do some kind of power mod at some point. Shunt resistor mod is a common one we do. Some games are unstable. So that's why I limit for that. So I'm going to talk big game about the scoring with Ampere following a steeper trajectory than with Turing, where it would asymptote a lot sooner. And so far, we haven't really seen that into overclocking, but definitely into the core performance. You see that? Just it hits a wall. There's obviously a reason to cut it off really good. Let me write these scores down. 12294, I need to read a super chat too. Actually, a lot of them. 56.92 with that. This is basically, if you're wondering, like, where the Schlieren photography stuff came in, that's allowing us to photograph airflow. That video is getting edited today, by the way, so that'll go up in the next few days. But it's this, it's the toolkits, it's the mod mats, and then everyone. Let's the chat to read. Function. This function is just making fun of the EGA card design. It was from a while ago. Slightly on the vulgar side, but it's funny. Let's see, where's my drivers I want? What am I opening to do? Just, alright. Driver. That out of the way. Drunken Beard, $5. Thank you. Says, looking at getting a 3090 and a water cooling and overclocking. Do you think it's worth dropping the extra for triple 8-pin versus the dual 8-pin? All depends on if the card actually lets you use that much power. If it is limiting itself, if it's got 3 8-pins and you can't draw more than like 3.
Wow.